Do y'all know what y'all let me forget yesterday? I'm gonna blame this on you. Not really. But we forgot concealer. So luckily I have a dear friend here in New York. And I text her and I said, listen, I don't have any concealer. Do you? She's like, tell me what you want. So she brought me ColourPop concealer. And I haven't tried this in 100 years. I'm so excited to try this again. Zahava, I love you. Thank you so much. Now, even though Zahava brought me concealer, we then decided to go to Sephora. And we purchased some things. This is the Gucci blush. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna let y'all in on a secret. Whenever I travel, it really throws off my routine. And I absolutely love my daily routine. Some people get sick and tired of their daily routine. I am not that person. I want my exact same, I want to live Groundhog Day, honestly. I just want to wake up, have my coffee, play with my animals, go upstairs, and then hang out with all of you. And if that gets thrown off, I just don't feel like myself. So I'm gonna get creative. I'm feeling creative. Being here in New York, I'm just feeling it, okay? So I'm actually gonna start with an eye pencil. This is probably one of my favorite eye pencils of all time. It's from MAC Cosmetics. It's the shade Serial Monogamous, and it's the most beautiful olive shade ever. And what I'm doing here is I'm kind of just mapping out a shape, all while adding a little bit of an olive base. We're still gonna put eyeshadows on top, and I'm gonna get wild, and I might even put a shimmer in my crease. By goodness. So I'm just gonna continue to this is a really good way to create shape, because with a pencil you have more control than you do with powder eyeshadow sometimes. And we're still gonna do that on top of a base, and the reason why is because we're still gonna be adding eyeshadow. Why am I so far away? I'm out here in the bushes. Here we go. So if you're wondering why I'm doing this on top of an eyeshadow base, gel liners like this set, and they set very quickly. This eyeshadow base is kind of going to keep everything tacky for a lot longer, so we can blend it out here in a second. So eyeshadow base underneath a liner like this kind of keeps it pliable for longer. Now I hope I'm saying her name right. I believe it's Isamaya. This is magical. This is what makeup dreams are made of. Now I'm gonna start with this shade, and it's a very browny olive. And you'll notice I'm grabbing it on an E27. And the reason I'm gonna grab that on an E27 is because I want more control. And again, I don't really know where we're going, but I know that we need to stay in control, much like life. So again, we're gonna grab this shade. And just kind of press that all the way over this way. Gosh, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness. I mean, look at how cool that looks already. Oh, I love it. I don't know what else we're gonna do. I'm just gonna sit here and just put on a ton of makeup. I'm just gonna put on all the makeup I have here. And I'm gonna need a sparkling water for this spiciness.
We got that.
Give me the sparkling water. Honestly, I cannot wait for y'all to see this with back camera. Now I'm gonna grab this shade. I'm having the time of my life here. Time of my life. And now we're gonna bring that through here. And then I'm gonna clean up my lid space a little. And then we're gonna cascade. Now I'm gonna take whatever's left here on my brush. And I'm just going to kind of ever so lightly tap this clean. It's not a cut crease, so it's okay if a little bit of that gets onto our lid. But we need to tap in that base because we're gonna set the lid with something. I haven't decided what yet. Okay, I think I found the color. So this one's a little bit more of a transparent shade, especially depending on how much you pick up. We're just gonna pick up about, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. We're gonna pick up about that much, and what I'm doing is I'm just gonna press it all over, and we're just making sure that base is set. And you'll notice that my lid still kind of looks like skin. I'm not just covering it completely, but we're making sure the base is nice and set. No creasing. That is so cool. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab that same shade that we started with, this one right here. And we're just gonna press that one into the lash line using the E27. We're not even gonna do winged liner. So this looks very intimidating, but as you can see, once you map it out, it's so easy because we're covering up any mistakes with shimmer. A lot of times we don't realize that we can fix any kind of mistake and kind of smooth over it with a very shimmery shadow. So keep that in mind next time you mess up your wing liner. You could honestly grab something like this that is a black with sparkle in it, and you can just hide all those mistakes. Shh, it's our secret. I will say my robe might have inspired this look. Is that why we got off on this green tangent? Is it? All right, let's add mascara. I'm gonna have to finish the rest of the eye. If I wanna add any more embellishments, I'll have to finish it once we get our foundation on. So let's put mascara and then falsies. So I actually wanna keep the skin really simple. I got excited and had to come back and chat with y'all. I wanna wear black lipstick. Are y'all gonna judge me? Don't you judge me. I'm in New York. I'm feeling extra spicy. And it's fashion week. I think it's still fashion week. I don't know. It's fashion-y month. I want to wear black lipstick. Oh my God, I forgot to tell y'all. Did y'all see that Lizzo actually wore black lipstick and the Queen Cosmetics gloss? Did you see that? It's on TikTok. If you go to Lizzo's account, who inspired that? Who do you think inspired that? I told y'all, black lipstick, dark green lipstick, dark blue lipstick, dark burgundy lipstick, all the rage this season. I knew it was gonna be the next thing, and I don't want you to be afraid to try it. But you know why? Because it wipes off. If you're really that terrified of it, just try it. Have fun at your house. Wear it around your house and get used to wearing it because it's actually stunning, and I think it's gonna be perfect with this look. So I just added some individual lashes to the outer part. I've had these individuals forever. I don't even know where I got them. But I do have a video a couple posts back, well, quite a few posts back, but not too far back on individual lashes. So remember that MAC liner that we were using? Let's run that through our waterline. Look at how easily that goes on. I'm telling you, these are amazing. All of them are, but this one is my favorite. This is gonna be perfect for the look today. Since it's not completely full coverage, I kind of want my skin to still look like skin. I know this color match always terrifies y'all, but please just give it a second. Not only does it adjust, but my face is always so much lighter right now because I've really been hitting my retinol real hard, and my skincare routine is on my saved highlights. Now don't forget the C41 is back in stock, y'all. It was out of stock a long time. It was actually out of stock because of Danessa. Oh, look at that now. Just really press it in. If you'll notice, I don't really use primers a whole lot. And if I do use a primer, that primer is mostly skincare. I just feel like skincare is enough to kind of hold that makeup on there. Ooh, this is so pretty. All right, let's try out our ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer. I'm gonna be using the shade Medium 83C. And I'm just going to do a little bit of it. I love how pink it is already. That's the proper amount of peach pink. I'm excited to blend it. Let's grab an E29. And I'm using the side of it to tap it in. Nice and brightening. That's pretty. And this is the only place I'm going to place the concealer because I kind of want the rest of my skin to just look as much like skin but evened out. Hey, that's nice. Let's see how it wears though, because I'm going to wear it for shadow. I'm going to wear it for quite a while tonight, so I'll keep you updated. So now I'm going to set the under eye. I'm not going to tell you what the powder is, only because I'm going to post what it is tonight. It's not mine, by the way. It's not mine. But I'm going to post this wear test and review tonight, so I'm going to set a reminder. Press that. All right, we're going to use the Gucci bronzer because I'm going to hop off once I'm done with everything, and we're going to try out that Gucci blush. I'm really excited because I will say this is a very spicy price. I've had it forever and I still haven't hit pan. And even when I was at my most fair, this matched me. And now that I'm at my most tan, this still matches me because that's how pigmented it is. And it just depends on how much you pick up on your brush. So I've had it a while, still haven't hit pan. And while it's expensive, I know I'm loving it. Let's finish up the eye. Same MAC pencil. Sorry I'm not zoomed in today. I'm a little discombobulated because I'm in the floor doing my makeup. So I'm trying to get the hang of this. I feel like I'll have the hang of it tomorrow. Okay, nice. So now we're gonna take that bright green through here and stop right about there. I am not sure if you know this, but I really love makeup. Okay, I don't want to hear one word of, Rose, you need to do more wearable looks. I do wearable looks. Please check my saved highlights, please. Don't yell at me. I want to wear black lipstick. Okay, I want to. I kind of started something and I want to finish it. If I can wear black lipstick out in public, you can too. This one's actually one of my faves and it's from MAC and it's in the shade Caviar. And I like the applicator because you know I don't like to wear lip liner with my liquid lipsticks because it might change the formula. So the applicator is super precise. So I think that I might go without blush. I'll put on the blush tomorrow because I'll do a more wearable look tomorrow because I did this to y'all today. Okay, I need to hop off now. I gotta go because I'm actually gonna go have a little visit with MAC Cosmetics. Like what? Me? What the heck? What the heck? So we're gonna go have a little visit. I am so excited. And now I want to make sure that I have time to get a back video camera of this and a picture of this because I've been saving my pictures to my Pinterest. So if you ever want a picture to reference, maybe recreate, maybe show to another artist to recreate that look, I'm saving them to Pinterest. So that's where that's going. I love you all so much. And I'm going out in public like this. I don't care what y'all say. I'm gonna go spice up the night. I love y'all. Okay, see you tomorrow.